This is the y-axis assembly. It's very similar to the x-axis assembly. It's a little bit simpler on these two ends. So maybe I'll speed through most of the assembly and spend a bit more time around the bits that are different. So let's just put this together. Okay, this is where I'll slow it back down a little bit, and we'll put these, so we don't have as many components in this area. So I'll just pop these little pieces in here. This one kept falling out, it's a really loose fit, so I'll just leave that till the end and put that one there. So we should have these little antenna sticking out there. I'll do that on both ends. And a little Martian. Pop that in there. Now these pieces need to sit this way up. And it doesn't really matter which side they go on. We'll see if we can get this to pop in there. But they do need to be seated right up on the ends of these. So if you're having a little bit of trouble, you just got to give these pegs a little bit of a file. Might have to do the same up the top. Pop that one on there. Now this really does need to be on square. This is what holds your y-axis in the machine in the appropriate way. So we just want to check to make sure that this is all seated properly, which this one needs to just sit in a little bit better. see if this one goes on like a glove. There we go. So that's what it should look like. I'm just going to do the same for the other end. Perfect. And that way. Snap that in. Just check that it's all seated properly. It looks great. Okay, we're almost done. We've just got to put the PVC primer on there and pop that in the back. Get my little glue board. And start going around all of these joints. Making sure everything's squished in properly. There we go. One thing we did forget. The last component standing. One little washer goes on there. And we'll just let that dry.